Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we introduce the FlexLoader 10 automation solution. Robots have established themselves as indispensable in automation solutions because they use lower operating and manufacturing costs and provide a huge productivity boost. Thanks to new compact and flexible solutions, automation is increasingly moving into smaller and medium-sized companies and is already economically attractive for small and medium-sized batches. Have you already asked yourself how you can increase your flexibility in production? KNUTH Machine Tools offers a loading system that can be integrated into almost any CNC machine tool. We selected the Roten 400C inclined bed lathe, our top seller of compact production machines, and combined it with the FlexLoader 10 loading system. The machine tool must have automatically controlled workpiece clamping and an automatically opening door, which is integrated into the overall safety concept. This charging system, developed and produced in Germany, is equipped with the Cobot UR10 from Universal Robots. This modern design 6-axis robot arm has a working radius of 1,300 mm and a maximum payload of 10 kg. Thus, minus the weight of the gripper, workpieces of up to 8 kilos can be handled. A pneumatic 2-finger gripper is used as standard. We have selected the optionally available electric gripper for this application. The associated grid plate for holding the workpieces may be configured individually according to the requirements of the workpiece geometry. The robot is operated by the control panel with the HMI operating software developed by Lawrenscheidt. This includes, among other things, a database for managing and loading the workpieces that have already been set up. A question and answer assistant guides the operator intuitively through the menu for creating new workpieces. The security concept is completed by using an area scanner. As soon as the work area in front of the machine is entered, the movement of the cobot is stopped so that there is no risk of collision for the operator. This eliminates the need to set up a protective fence housing, and the machine is still freely accessible. The FlexLoader 10 loading system is a small automation solution for autonomous loading and unloading. Our machine tool program offers a large number of high-performance CNC lathes and milling machines, the productivity of which can be increased through clever automation. Contact your nearest KNUTH representative today for more information.